Informative, entertaining, and straight to the point. News Avenue, where the truth meets the streets.
Shoot mfethu.
Asibingelele siphinde sinamukele la bathini News Avenue podcast isigaba uSizwe Plose siqala izinto ezintsha ke namhlanje siqala ne bathi structure esisha ANC Youth League esilaphana emkhanya kude namhlanje sivakashelwe unobhala uMr Maphanga uzozethula ke uMr Maphanga angibingelele kodwa
Angibingelele Plose igama uMakhosonke ngwamaphanga umzulu kaSikhuli Bombela amakenjane ngisuka endaweni yaseHluhluwe endaweni yaseMdletsheni ngaphansi kokukhosi uBdletshe ngunobhala weANC Youth League yasenokuhamba nyawo osanda kukhethwa njengamanje okhethwe ngoMarch 22 kulonyaka esikuwona ekade ewu-coordinator we-task team ekade ikhona laphana endaweni yasemkhanya kude. Then ngoMarch walonyaka sibe sesiyakhethwa saba i-structure esikhethwa ama-branch besine congress ebesinayo eHluhluwe Rugby Club lapho esakhethwa khona no Comrade uMinenhle Makhanya uchairperson mina ngu-secretary.
Ube izwe ukuthi sikhetheke le-structure setsha njengabe kade ni kwi-task team ukuthi manje nikhethe lobuholi i-support ibe khona
kube khona i-support esitholile especially from iside le province le ANC Youth League ngoba uzokhumbula naso ukuthi i-structure se province ANC Youth League besinesikhathi eside ubuholi bagcina kuba khona la eKZN mangikhuluma nje iqiniso ukuthi mhlambe lokwagcina i-structure salidwa woComrade ukwazi Mshengu no Comrade uThando Xolo Sabela think ngabo 2017. So njengoba izeyazokhetheka manje ngo2025 okuyi Youth League ekhethiwe eyikhona eThekwini le elidwa uComrade uNtokozo Ngcobo uhlalo weprovince kanye noComrade uLulama Mapuni. So isupport sisinayo noma ke vele kuhlezi kukhona lokho kunye ukukhona kwamadynamic okuphikisana okuhlezi kukhona ngoba kuyiprocess yethu vele njenge-organization ukuthi i-contestation ivumelekile ukuthi ibe khona.
But isikhathi esiningi bayaye bathi bekukhethwa ubuholi laba abasuke bengavumelani kodwa ekugcineni they rally behind the new leadership. Ngizama ukucheck into enjalo ukuthi bayayisupporta yini leadership lekhethiwe njengamanje.
No mhlambe sazi into engingayisho ukuthi vele abantu abasha bayasupportana. Ngihlezi ngisho lokho ngithi mina abantu abasha ababangi lutho si Youth League ke hlezi isho njalo ukuthi abantu abasha ababangi lutho ningabangani nihluphekile nonke. So sihlezi sithi abantu abasha ningabangani abantu abasha bebangaka becinzelekile bengasebenzi. So abantu abasha abaningi ababangi lutho but normally vele ikhathini eziningi kuba ne-influence abantu abadala abathile abafikayo bezo influence abantu abasha ukuthi abaxabane bodwa because basuke kunabantu abathile abasuke befuna ukudrive ama agendas besebenzisa abantu abasha. So thina before sihlale vele siba invite bonke abantu abasha ba around umkhanya kude ebesingavumelana nabasabatshela sathi nansi into esifuna ukuyakha yabantu it's either you are part of yona noma usi part of lo nto leyo sibacele bonke ngoba uma nje ngizobuyela back kunabantu abasha ebesingasebenzisani nabo kwangampela kodwa sababiza bonke before i-conference ababuza ukuthi yini ebangwayo then sabatshela ukuthi kuhonke lokho kubangwayo yini ikuphi abakufunayo bafisa ukuthi ubuholi bube kanjani sababekela then sasiyabebekela ukuthi thina when you support the structure, do not support uMakhosonke personally. You do not support mhlambe uNtokozo. But sathi we've got a program esinayo njengabantu abasha ukuthi abantu abasha bameleleke konke ama structures. Abantu abasha lo ya 40% okwakhulunywa ngawo kuthiwa abantu abasha kufanele bebe no 40% in government ababe khona. So sathi ke elethu thinizwe mhlambe silenza ukuthi kube nabantu abathile abadala abangekho happy ukuthi thina singabantu abasha bakholelwa ukuthi ikusasa lisabhilonga kuthina ubuholi iANC izohola ithina in the next 20 years. So sizazodingana so sibelieve ukuthi ayikho into ofanele siyibange njengamanje but futhi sibelieve ukuthi abantu abasha abangasetshenziswa ukulwa nabanye abantu abasha but abantu abasha bazi ukuthi uma bebulala izwe labo noma bebulala lento esikuyona babulala ikusasa labo mhlambe labantu abadala abathile abasebenzisa bo bebengasekho so we able ukuthi siba group ke lapho.
Ne appointment with the future.
Yes, we've got an appointment with the future. So, saba member ke bonke, and even we try to engage nabanye abantu abadala because sasimile nje entweni yethu ukuthi akekho for the first time inimkhanya kude sasimile ukuthi akekho umuntu omdala ozodictate ukuthi ubani abazolida abantu abasha. You cannot tell us ngento yethu ukuthi silida kanjani because nathi asikaze sinitshele ukuthi nilida kanjani. So sasimile nje sithi thina kuningi abantu abasha bangekho happy ngakho, so okwenu njengabantu abadala is to not dictate but is to support.
Yeah, no ngiyakuzwa. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sisahleli naye uMakhosonke Maphanga unobhala weANC Youth League ngicabanga lapha elokhoza nendaweni yasemkhanya kude. This is a podcast lena but News Avenue where news meets the streets. Uzosithola njalo siza kuwena bukhoma wena nje into ongayenza ukuthi usubscribe ulike ucomment futhi sibhekile leyo nto kuwena sibone ukuthi sithatha kanjani lenqola siyisa phambili. Igama usizwe ngwakaBloss ngihleli noMakhosonke Maphanga unobhala we-region yalapha emkhanya kude yabantu abasha. But Makhosonke besikhuluma iqiniso isikhathi esiningi into ezenzakalayo manje indaba zokuthi abantu abasha bayakhethwa, but abantu abasha abay-involving ma-issues abantu abayang.
Yes.
Bayithola be-involved kakhulu kwi-politics ye-motherboard.
Yes.
And isikhathi esiningi nje abade wayibeka nawe beyuzwa abantu abathize labothi badala.
Yes.
Nina unesiqiniseko esingakanani ukuthi nani anikho la ukuthi liyasetshenziswa nani kukhona abantu abanisebenzisayo be-ANC esothi badala?
Mhlambe isiqiniseko nje sinaso sokuqala ukuthi okokuqala sakhethwa abantu abasha belokhuzaneni behlangene bebodwa. Mhlambe ne conference esabanayo yathi ukuhluka kuwonke ama conference ahleze khona ngoba normally abantu ababekhona laphana babe inviteiwe kuma conferences akhona adlule ubuyaye ubone bekuhlezi kuphithizela abantu abadala besuke bephithizela within esingasho ukuthi sinenkinga nomuntu we-motherboard, sinenkinga nomuntu we-women's league, but sibamukele but ukuthi bezo advisor not ukuthi bezo dictate ukuthi who should lead, who should do what, but nje nanezinto besilukhuzana after the congress ziningi izinto esesiraisile kwi meeting yethu yokuqala esabanayo induction sa raise izinto eziningi njengabantu abasha ukuthi si no calculate ukuthi emkhanya kude sinama ward awu 8 sathi masithi siyabala mhlaba amakhansela esinawa ngabantu abasha less than 10 which we are not happy about. Sa raise ngendlela mhlambe ku government ukuthi at least which bekuyinto besi raise na around the province ukuthi izwi lithi la khona uhulumeni noma la khona uANC abantu abasha bayi majority in this country, and abantu abasha ibona we can bring that fresh ideas into kuhulumeni mhlambe na kwi-organization sithi abameleleke endaweni eziningi sisiraise into eziningi we raise kunendawo kuthiwa Isimangaliso wetland. We wrote to Isimangaliso and sithi sifuna siqale ngoba sihweba kakhulu ngezamachweba na yonke lo ndawo sathi sifisa Isimangaliso ukuthi makuukuthi serious ngokuthi si develop economy lapha nemkhanya kude asibe ne cause esinayo ezo edila noma offerishe nje skills program but edila nalezi ifundo zasolwandle nanani ngoba phela Isimangaliso sidila naleyo nto le ukuze abantu abasha bekwazi ukuthi bebe skilled. We wrote to ezemvelo nabo sizama ukuthi siyacela ukuthi belekelele besinike noma ama programs anawo ngabantu abasha because sinayo leyo feeling esinayo ukuthi abantu abasha bebenga representekile yonke leminyaka especially government especially kuphi and bebethengeka kalula mhlambe bethengelwa nje ukuthi belokhuzaneni bethengela ukuthi umuntu bebasebenzisi noma mhlambe kuwe kwaba iculture nje kade sishiya ukuthi ukuze uphumelele umuntu omusha ufuna uposte someone on Facebook mawungenayo ihandler ngeke uzwe. So uthina we said for the first time mhlambe ama-handlers ethu kuzoba abantu abasha basemabranchini sikholelwa kuwona and nama-program esesiwenzile we've been addressing the very same issue ukuthi abantu abayimele hlonipha abantu abadala but abazi futhi ukuthi oku-wrong ku-wrong abangasetshenziswa to fight politics ANC ukuthi kuthiwa mase kungama-conferences e-ANC uthole sekungabantu abasha beposta on Facebook beposta ngama-status bethina sicula abantu but leyo nto leyo ingabakhulumi bona mhlawumbe abake be-unite bodwa bethi like we've always said kubantu abasha even sihlangene masihlangene nje ngithi mina the youth of Nelson Mandela ANC Youth League ngo-1944 there was upresident owayekhona we-ANC so ngekathi youth league izohlala yathi youth league thina we will support for the next conference ANC will support upresident ozo accommodate izinto esiyishoyo babethina abantu abasha ngesikhathi babethi ke thina istruggle lesesikhona nina abantu abadala senibancengile labantu abasicindezele nilokhu nithi akusayinwa ama-petition akuhambe kuyohlala ematafuleni but thina we don't believe in those things but thina we believe ukuthi hayi laba abantu basibulala babulala ihlobo zethu basiphuca umhlaba thina sibelivela kukho ukuthi ake sibalwise njengoba besilwisa asihambe siyoblock imigwaqo asihambe siyomasha asishise namathayi so that siphazamise umnotho so that bezoyizwa language esikhulumayo but ama-elders ayikhona e-ANC ngaleso sikhathi awakholelwanga kuleyo youth athi le youth leyo siyinhlanye ifuna ukuxova kwangu-OR Tambo if you could remember u-OR Tambo uWalter Sisulu uNelson Mandela u-Anthony Lembede kwakuyi-youth nje iyagcina sekungabaholi be-ANC but abakwazi ukuthi ukuze sishapeke bathi i-ANC ayi-adopt i-armed struggle kuhambe kuyotrain amasosha abuye azohlasele uhulumeni owayekade ecindezela abantu abamnyama that youth league yona yakwazi ukuthi shape i-politics of today ekhona yaSouth Africa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibuyelwe izwe lethu if you could remember bazi ba-unite abantu abasha ngo-1949 bakhetha u-secretary general wokuqala waba umuntu omusha kwaba uWalter Sisulu and upresident u-OR Tambo wagcina seba yi-longest serving president owalid i-ANC during difficult time ibheniwe i-ANC wayesuka from that youth league meaning i-youth has a power to shape manje we are facing a crisis ye-economic development ukuthi abantu abasha bayakhohliswa abantu abasha basetshenziswa nje just as ama-tool and so we've been saying ukuthi mhlambe sometimes abantu abasha babheke lapha kuthiwa bukani lapha nahamba belungu ithatha izwe nasi sitha lapha kanti abantu abahleli nathi abangaphakathi kwi-ANC they don't accommodate abanye abantu abasha mase kukuziwa ngasekusebenzeni noma kuthiwa transforming i-future abantu abasha abanalo iqiniso ngoba you cannot say ukuthi eKZN kunomasipala onabo othi abantu bakhona noma omeya bakhona bakholela kubantu abasha but mawuzo kuthiwa ibudget less than 50,000 kuyihlazo lokho uma ubona ukuthi abantu abasha bayi-majority so izinto that we've been raising ukuthi akwazi ukuthi kulukhuzaneni akwazi ukuthi kuncishiswe ibudget yabantu abayi-majority nabantu futhi abayidinga ngempela le budget
abantu abayi-future ngiyacabanga ukuthi sikhablisa uMr Maphanga ezonobhala esitshela laphana nge-youth yo-OR nge-youth Walter Sisulu yathi it's either we submit or we fight.
Yes.
So bathatha le stance ukuthi no we will fight. But ke besibuyisana ngalana Mr Maphanga nobhala we region.
Yes.
Kuneyinkinga eMkhanyakude. Umasipala waseMkhanyakude.
Yes.
Esengasafihleki bolalela imisakazo nawo ndageni izongena into ethinta uMkhanyakude ekakhulukazi namanzi or nentuthuko nje ni youth league ningenile manje nikwipower ukhona esenikubonile nini ukuthi ngathi akuhambi kahle kumasipala njengabe seningenile o nibona umasipala engathi konke kuhamba kahle
mhlawumbe msazi kulokho bekuwukuthi since singenile ngeke size sikubalekele ukuthi alikho isokelo ngenasici salo uzokhumbula ukuthi eMkhanyakude kuze kwangenela uminister wakwa water and sanitation ngaleso sikhathi okwaku Comrade Senzo Mchunu wazokwenza intervention ethile kumasipala because of ukubona inkinga ezikhona then wa appointa implementing agents okwaba by then kwakusawuthukela uthukela, then manje sekumngeni uthukela water ukuthi akube yibona aba-implementa into yamanzi eMkhanyakude ngoba bekhala ngokuthi abantu abaningi babekhala ngokuthi i-service abayiboni emphakathini of which-ke thina njenge-youth with wrote
konje uMkhanyakude ungaphansi kobuholi be-ANC.
yes ungaphansi kobuholi be-ANC kodwa ibambisene namaqembu ibambisene we're not majority lapha ibambisene ne-NFP namanye amaqembu akhona
Kodwa inini eniholayo?
yes umeya no deputy mayor no speaker be-ANC.
So njengoba abantu balapha nababhekene nezinkinga zamanzi ukuthi abawathola amanzi imigwaqo ayilungisiwe or inqala sizinda yengisho njalo nabantu abasha la enibaholayo abasebenzi kushuthi umasipala wenu unenkinga yokungenelela okwamanje intweni ezikanjalo yini nenizoyenza ukuthi ishintshe leyo nto le engicabanga ukuthi nani niyayibona iyenzeka kumasipala? By the way, another question, do you think nuphethe kahle umasipala as the ANC now, because I believe ukuthi abantu abasuke bengenile nani niba neseyezi youth league?
No, thina njenge-ANC Youth League we said ukuthi asikwazi ukujaja abantu singaba access ukusebenza kwabo. Sisanda ngena we've wrote a letter ku MM because sifuna uku-assessa because if you want to assess umuntu ufuna ucheck previous year ukuthi bekuphi then ucheck ama progress akhona because thina asikholele ukuthi mhlambe kufanele mhlambe
So how long will be that assessment? Abantu abasha abalindile lapha nabasebenzi abantu abawatholile amanzi and now you click ngalana isanda ngene yayijustify ukuthi isanda ngena and abantu bayilindile intuthuko ngoba ningena nje but uyawazi ama issues affect umphakathi. Am I wrong?
Yes, no siyawazi.
So yini le assessment lengaka manje sifanele kuhlalelwe yona because niyawazi ama issues abantu aniparachuthwanga kithi.
No, yes.
Vele niyawaqonda kahle why ningavele ni address lezi zinto enizibonayo kumasipala ezabantu abasha amayang lion?
No ukuthi ezinye zezinto njengoba jade ukhuluma ngezinto zemgwaqo nani okunye ugesi nani okunye kuthinta local government. So uzokhuluma mhlawumbe ngomgwaqo ose Big 5 kanti uBig 5 umasipala waseMkhanyakude udila nokuthuthwa kwendle nokuletha amanzi kuphela lo phethwe yi-ANC but laba abanye umasipala abaphethwe yi-IFP then eminye imigwaqo uthinta uDepartment of Transport but ubuye kube inhlahla ukuthi umuntu ubuya bohlalo ka transport khona ngale eMkhanyakude we committee la transport. So lokho kunye kwemigwaqo umuntu uyazama uku-address but lokhu kwamanzi kwi first induction yethu sakubhala and we raise it even kwi-induction yethu ukuthi we are not happy ngezinye zezinto ezenzeka eMkhanyakude. Singasho ukuthi we are attacking anyone, we are not attacking the mayor, but sithe le investigation izo determine wayibona because sibhalelwe MM njengo accounting office ukuthi sifuna ukuthola ukuthi lezi inkinga ezikhona eMkhanyakude ukuphela kwemali equitable share yokukholela abasebenzi nani nencwadi ayikhiphayo sesithi sifuna ukuthola ngayo so kuzodeterminewa ukuthi baphendula nini but if aba respond because I think kuyophela u4 weeks babhalela bebenga respond nama balokhu bathi bazosinika isikhathi sama meeting but njengamali young layo nje obusushila if abaphenduli kuze kuhambe isikhathi I think kuzomela ukuthi nathi sithathe ezinye izinyathelo esingayithatha but because abantu abasha bayakhala singene vele kunesikhalo sabantu abasha bekhala ukuthi izinto abayiboni kahle ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani so thina sifuna ukukuthola kuqala ukuthi ubani was responsible to do this thing ongayenzanga because we cannot say ukuthi nje mhlambe sifayele sithi lapha eMkhanyakude but sifuna sithole detail ukuthi kunomuntu owayekade enikwi project mhlawumbe Sonkotleka wangayenza kushuthi iphuthu Sonkotleka inkanto ushuthi ke lokhuzana istatus bophu Sonkotleka
but uyayazi leyo nto Makhosonke bayihleli noMakhosonke Maphanga unobhala we-ANC Youth League lapha kwi-region kwisifunda sase eMkhanyakude uyasicacisela ngezinto ezenzeka khona njengamanje ukuthi kwenzakalani nasemkhandlini because sifuna ukwazi thina abantu bazi ngoba basemathini njengabe belapha eMkhanyakude but umuntu uzobuza ukuthi nama representative enu alapha as the ANC why is it taking long ukuthi ku-addresseke into ekanjalo because bese ningenile niyi-structure esiformal esi-recognized. It's a matter of ukubiza abantu benu abahola kulowa masipala.
Yes.
Uthe uspeaker owenu,
Yes.
wathi mayor eyenu, wathi ubani
Deputy mayor.
deputy mayor owenu. Why is it difficult? Why is it taking so long ukuthi uhlangane abantu laba benu nihlale phansi ukuthi nama ideas esinawo as youth league engayisa umkhandlu phambili? Because I'm sorry because this is a essay type of question.
Yes.
But at the ultimate end nazi konke ngokwenzeka emkhandlweni ningene nikwazi konke but nina ni treat njengama strangers manje. How is the relationship yenu ne current mayor lapha uMdala?
Ne youth league noma
No. I'm talking
on a
about
personal
youth
level.
league, not on a personal level.
Oh.
Wena bokhuluma ungixolele ngizobuza ama questions
Yes.
as if ungadirect kuwena.
Yes.
But wena njengabulana ugqoka isigqoko sokuba unobhala we youth league ngithi ngicacise lo whatever question ngathi mina how is your relationship with mhlambi current mayor? Ngibuza
On a personal
i-youth
level.
league. Ngibuza i-youth league.
Oh, okay. No, we
Ugcineni nokumfonela.
umeya mhlawumbe ngonyaka odlule.
Don't you think that leyo to still dakhona ngayi stumbling block towards i-delivery emphakathini lokho kugcine ku-affect youth umuntu o-driver lenqola
Yes.
youth league ingenile banithathile but it takes isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi lithathe i-call ithi comrade ake sibuyeleni kulela kutshini comrade. Is it possible ukuthi mhlambe sibe ne-meeting ngoba kunama issues that you want to ventilate on?
No, like after meeting yethu yokuqala ye-ANC Youth League esabanayo as a structure, we wrote to unobhala because ama deployee ANC deploy ANC
Yeah.
thina si Youth League si wing ye lokhuzaneni ye ANC ye-ANC njenge Youth League. We
Yeah.
wrote to unobhala sambhala
But at the same time ni-email.
si-email, yes. So samcela ukuthi sicela ukuthi ukubona i-ANC ama officials akhona then sifisa udlulela because umeya uphinda abe uhlalo we-ANC. So we wrote ukuthi siyacela ukubabona but bengakaze kwenzeke njengamanje kuze kufike manje.
Okay, yini problem ukuthi nibonani because ngibuza nje Mr Maphanga nobhala ngibuza i-question engibuza mina ngibuzela abantu
Yes.
laba balindile.
Yes.
It's kunzima ukuba unemployed.
Yes.
Kunzima ukubona ama leaders uthola ukuthi banama beef abo.
Yes.
Engawa understand ukuthi why because at the ultimate end igcina isi affecta laba abantu efana mhlambe bayawathola amathuba omsebenzi bayawathola amanzi bayathola understand leyo hence ngibuza ngizama ukuthi azethini ukuthi yini ngempela problem ukuthi lihlangane mhlambe neme because imayor chairperson win.
Yes.
And nina ni youth league yakhe.
Yes.
So why is it difficult? Edinalo mkhandlu lo awangamele
Yes.
ufanele distribute khona ama lezinto ezidinga umphakathi.
No, I think mhlawumbe ngesithi umeya mhlawumbe but mhlawumbe busy because akakaza sithole isikhathi namanje sokuthi behlangane because really nje lento oyishoyo ibaleke kakhulu siyamdinga umeya ukuthi azophendula kuthina njenge ngaphandle kokuthi si structure se youth league but we believe ukuthi I deploy yomphakathi umholi wemphakathi kufanele account kunombani okhona emphakathini mayimbuza because usuka lapha khona
futhi irrespective of political
yes
affiliation.
ngisho ukuthi ubizwa yini usuku kufanele avail abekhona ngaso sikhathi but kuze kube manje besingaka but we've wrote to upper structure sibabikela ngodaba. I think mhlambe kukhona yikhona lokho ukuthi mhlamba abanye babe nenye vision nge-youth league mhlawumbe ukuthi izolidwa obani but then kwangaphumelela ngaleyo ndlela then babe sebebona sebengayi-accept le youth league ekhona but i-fight esikuyona ngizosho nje ukuthi ayiqali ngathi i-youth league be-previous not le RTT esingene kuyona le yayikhethiwe yaze yagcina yachithwa because nayo they were suffering from the same problem ukuthi nayo yayingakutholi uku-accept. Mhlambe ibuyela back kule kade ngisho ukuthi i-youth yoMandela nayo bagcina babengayi-accept ngoba babebelieve ukuthi ba-destructive, abalaleli, iy'ngane, because kunaleyo nkolelo ukuthi ziy'ngane funa siy'tshele. So I think sinenkinga efanayo.
So Makhosonke, abukho kahle ubudlelwane obukahle between abantu abasha nabantu abadala kwi-ANC?
No, ayabukho. Ayabukho, right.
Man ignore. Hle noMakhosonke Maphanga unobhala we-Youth League laphana emkhanya kude. This is a News Avenue podcast. News Avenue podcast. Tell your friends, News Avenue podcast. Igama uSizwe Plose. Kumnandi ukuba lana, kumnandi ukuhlala nawe. Sazoqhubeka sibize abantu abahlukahlukene ukuthi sizohlala nabo lana. Sixoxe ngalezi indaba because thina njenge News Avenue si representa umphakathi. Sikhuluma kakhulu, sikhulumele umphakathi. I think useze uBonkosi lana sisazohlala naye. Sazohlala futhi no chairperson we ANC we MK Youth League province naye useza futhi si expectile futhi nabantu be-entertainment, abantu abanjengoNtando. I know ukuthi nabo bazohlala la basivakashele bonke futhi abantu be-entertainment bazoza futhi abantu be-politics. Sikhuluma nabantu abasha because bayi-future, ingakho siqala ngabo. Bona abantu abayi-future, they are the growing market, unlike some of us dying markets. So if future is ezandleni zabo, that is why sibanika space from time to time. Njengabe namhlanje sihleli noMakhosonke. Makhosonke yazi into engicabanga ukuthi balekile singafollowish structure. Ositshela ukuthi uMakhosonke ubani azabe kwi-ANC nje join i-ANC. Mhlawumbe any question bese uchaza ukukhula kwakho ungene ezikoleni ezihlukahlukene ngoba khona abantu bathi sasifunda naye, ngiyamazi yabona abayiqhenyayo ngawo as a role model yabo. That is why ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile ukuzaleka nokukhuleka kwakho ukuthi uzojoin i-ANC. Why ANC? Why not iNkatha? Why not iPAC? Why not iMK? Understand? Bungangichazela nje ngizoye ngithi ngiphoze.
Mina nguMakhosonke nje kaMaphanga njengoba bathe sengishilo, ngisuka eHluhluwe endaweni yaseMdletsheni ngaphansi kobukhosi uMdletshe okuse Ward 7 ngolimi lakapolitiki. Indawo esemakhaya kakhulu leya. Ngifunde endaweni yaseGabadele Primary School, sikhulela eGabadele, then ngaze ngaqeda umatric wami khona. Ngahamba ngaye eNewcastle eMajuba College, ngabuya eMajuba College ngase ngiye eDUT eNdumiso campus, then ngabuya futhi ngabuyela emakhaya, then ngase ngiyaqala ngiyasebenza because civil engineering, ngiyasebenza as a consultant kwamanye ama projects ayikhona. But then mangibuya ngibuya ngisemakhaya. By then ipolitiki yayikhona because umama wayelead Women's League ekhaya. Yes. So umama wayelead Women's League, so umama waye-active kakhulu. Then into yangitriggerisha kwipolitiki ukuthi ngize ngingene by 2016 zazikhona izinto ezazikhona, but ngahamba iminyaka mhlambe kade ngisebenza ku-Cookstad kuphi mhlambe I think u6 years. Ngathi mangibuya ngo2016 no 2017 endaweni engasekhaya ngibona kusafana nje. Still akabi namanzi, still abantu uma ngihamba sihamba nomama emhlanganweni kade ngivele
akabi namanzi njengoba engakabi khona
njengoba namanje engakabi khona eGabadela. So still ngifica akunamanzi, still izinto imigwaqo sabheda. Then ngase ngaqala ke ngaba active lapho. I remember ukuthi energy ayisaningi kakhulu, ngaze ngabhalela uMdaka by then wayesa
mayor.
No, wayesa secretary.
Umayor
current chair. Wayesa secretary ANC, ngacela i-meeting naye. Then
ubawe
ezilungu lomphakathi. Ezilungu lemphakathi. Then ngafika ngamrezela izinto eziningi engangekho happy. First nje ngaqala ngaraise indaba yesikole. Isikole sangasekhaya kunesikole kuthiwa ibunguvela ngifunda kuso. By thina siqeda umatric lesa sikole sasenza kahle kakhulu. Mhlambe sasiko 80%, 90%. Ngase ngiyabuya ngo2016 isikole sino 21%. then ka-raise ukuthi kube ne-program awareness ukuthi kufundiswe abafundi mhlawumbe kubuyiswe nalabafundi asebaphasayo abalokhuzaneni ababephase kahle nabenze kahle bezobuyisa isikole. Then sakwazi by then kwakukhona u-HOD wa-transport Sibusiso Gumbi ngabhalela yena ngamcela ukuthi ezokwenza i-program because umuntu wendawo wabuya waxhasa ngamabhayisikili. Then I was leading that program then naye umeya wamanje umdaki secretary waba khona in that program but yayilidwa yimina yayithi asivuke siyibambe because yayithi abafundi abavuke beyibambe. That following year isikole sathola 63% from 21%. So kwaba iprogram ke umuntu ke like that's where nabanye abepolitiki bakwazi ukuthi bangi-identify ukuthi this guy ngathi une potential.
Sisahleli naye umnobhala we-region ye-youth laphana eMkhanya kude uMr Maphanga. Uyasitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani laphana, uyasitshela futhi nangomlando wakhe, kodwa khona one thing engi-interested ukuthi ngiyazi esasichazela kamnandi kangaka la kwe-News Avenue podcast with uSizwe Blose sivakashele uyena uMaphanga. But ngifuna ukuchecka la inhlangano eyiningi njengoba ngisho with different policies. IFP zokutshela mhlawumbe nge-federalism kube khona EFF ekutshela ngomba 7 pillars, cardinal pillars ayo namanye uthe bese uthatha isinqumo sokubona ukuthi kune injustice eyenzakalayo endaweni yangakini. Why didn't you choose Inkatha or PAC? Why ANC?
Okay, mhlambe first okunye esikoleni umuntu ngenkathi safunda there was a book called Nothing But the Truth. Sasifunda kwi-English paper 2. That book yangikhombisa yangireflectela back ukuthi i-ANC sukaphi and kwakunjani ngalezi ayikade because ayikhuluma kakhulu nge-comrade elalingela la eSouth Africa then lagcina la yaphesheya but narrator by John Gunn if I'm not mistaken. Leya ncwadi leya like yangikhombisa kahle ukuthi like i-ANC le as organization and yini nabantu noma umuntu emncane enga-experienceanga lento yokuhlukumezeka kudala but ngabona ukuthi kahle kuneqembu lake lahluphekela abantu kanje. Kuneqembu lake la ngena ukuthi then I start to be interested ukuthi kwenzakalani. Then ngiqala ke ngithola incwadi ngilokhu ngifunda ukuthi hayi organization that was formed in 1912 based on lento le. Then kafunda kabanzi IFP was formed in 1975 but the founder of the IFP wayisuka kwi-ANC vele like
yini kwenziwa ngaqhubeka nayo
i-IFP endaweni engakithi kwakuphethe yona ke ngaso sikhathi kunalezi zinto because umasipala
wonke ama-chances okujoina i-IFP but why ungajoina nge-IFP?
Ngokubuka indawo yangakithi nanokubuka ama-policies abo awakaze ahambisane nami nanokuthi ngibuka indawo yangakithi ukuthi uBig 5 Hlabisa bese bewuphathe from 1996 till ngize ngihlakaniphe but ngingawuboni umehluko endaweni.
Okay.
So ngabona then mangifunda nge-ANC then ngabona ukuthi nanokuthi ukubuka because I was analyzing ipolitiki ya global ukuthi ANC nanokuyi-aligna kwayi-align namazwe kahle anjengo China no Russia nobani azwelana kakhulu nomuntu ohluphekileyo ngoba vele we know ukuthi even nasemhlabeni sihlukanise ngokwamapolitiki ngepolitiki kabili nepolitiki yomhlaba ukuthi kunalamazwe akholelwa kwi-capital system bese kuba nalamazwe lawa akholelwa ukuthi
namhlanje no-Palestine
sihambisana no-Palestine even
IFP ihambisana no-Israel.
Yes, ihambisana no-Israel. So ihambisana ikholelwa kakhulu kahle kubantu. iMK by then uzuma isakwe-ANC so EFF yayikhona but then ngikathi umuntu eqala ukuhlanipha but sasibona ukuthi yonke lento yakhelwe kwi-ANC but the original source of yonke lento le is ANC just abantu aba-angry abaformisha izinto zabo abayiformishayo
disgruntled. Hayi asazi into oyishoyo le asithemba ukuthi nabo into esiyenzayo la ku-News Avenue ukuthi siyamnika umuntu ithuba lokureply mhlambe uma uthi usibhekile lo beya wasemkhanya kude unayo right ukuthi naye akafika la azolikhuluma iside lakhe le story. Sihleli noMakhosonke Maphanga unobhala isikhundla sikaNobhala usukuna ama powers bo uNobhala.
Yeah, but usukunama powers but amanye eza with ama responsibilities amaningi nobuhlungu. Mhlawumbe umuntu mayeke evakashele eminye imizwa kuzofikele izinyembezi uthi hey banehluka abanye abaholi. Uma uzwa nje umuntu ekutshela istory ekutshela ukuhlupheka kwakhe ngaphandle umuntu oyiNC umuntu nje omphakathi ekutshela nje ukuhlupheka kwakhe
ehluphe ukuthi bathi abaholi uthola ukuthi abaholi be-ANC because wena ngikuthatha nje umuntu okuclose kubaholi be-ANC iclose phuma ngala ngithi
no noma umuntu ekufonele kubikela usizi lakhe ubone ukuthi hey abaholi noma ngathi abagqoke isiphi ingakho sihlezi thina sithi si youth league le khona yasemkhanya kude manje ukuthi whether we ANC noma uyini mawungenze kahle will deal with you. We even told the current leadership ekhona ukuthi if they are not changing indlela benza ngayo sesinabo nabo no mayor no speaker sizoba remove sifaka abantu abafuna ukusebenza nabafuna ukusebenzela abantu abasha.
Ngikhomboza inkulumo kaMandela ethi if i-National Party or if i-ANC siyenza lokho okwenziwa hayi baqedela wena uyazi kangcono le ndaba. But Makhosi ngicabanga ukuthi nje sesisonga lenkulumo yethu engicabanga ukuthi ibi informative kuningi manje umuntu osekwazi ngokwenzeka lapha emkhanya kude but sibe nethemba lokuthi izinto zizoba ngcono abantu bathole intuthuko njengabe bevotele intuthuko asithemba ukuthi zizoba khona ushintsho.
Yeah no sithemba kanjalo umsakazi bese khona nje abantu abanezwi nabanamele relate kakhulu nomuntu ohluphekileyo because based on our background yethu especially abanye abaningi abalidayo ayikho right so we know ukuthi umuntu ohluphekile usuke kusiphi isimo. So we know futhi ukuthi umuntu usuke ephuma emndenini ukuthi wenza kanjani usuka ephuma emndenini alright. So sisanethemba nje ukuthi sisazoqhubeka sibakhulumele sibe yivoice abantu abasha nabantu basemkhanya kude abasidingayo.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi besizivala mhlambe before sivale ngalama questions engizokunika wona ungayisebenzisa ithuba ukuaddress abantu basemkhanya kude njengomholi nethemba ukubanika ithemba kulesimo lesababhekene naso ngoba indaba yamanzi ayimpilo. Makuthiwa kunenkinga yamanzi ninanedama eliseduze kangaka elikhulu kangaka iproblem le.
No iproblem but ukwedamu vele kwakukhona lokho kade kukhona by lesesikhathi kuze ngingenelele umacingwane ukuthi kwakunesilo saze sangena esilo samabandla esikhona manje uMesizulu kaZwelithini sangenelela udabeni lokuthi lela damu kwakuthiwa li-ownwa umlungu Senegal onefarm yomoba ngale Jozini okwakuthiwa yena onqaba ne-right yayo then ke uwater and sanitation nesilo samabandla bakwazi bekhulume nomlungu handover ilicense yokuthi abantu bekwazi ukuthola amanzi. But what we've been saying thina njenge-ANC nakubantu basemkhaya ukuthi sibathembisa khona ukuthi thina sifuna izinto ezipractical asikholelwa izinto zamavidiyo ukuthi ngisho ngenza ividiyo kanjani sokwaba no AI intelligence artificial intelligence manje sungasgenerate ivideo nje usikhohlisa ukuthi uyaqhuba but thina sikholela entene practical ukuthi even ngisho ngathi uyi-license sithi sikhona yamanzi our question bekuwukuthi ke nizowathola kamanzi asejozini dam raw enjalo but azocleanwa kuphi ukuthi alungele umphakathi. So izinto ezinjalo esifuna thina ukuyibona epractical ukuthi ayi okay sinayo i-right yamanzi nanku la so clean khona indlela yomphakathi azongena kanje iloko we are not against or attacking anyone because sithina nje sifuna nje practical umuntu ukuthi because abasinika iscope somsebenzi wakhe ukuthi hayi by uJune sinama ward awu80 by uJune kuma ward awu60 iproblem so sisolve kanje by uMarch kuphi next year mhlawumbe before sizobe sikanje because abantu bengalokhu besiqhubha ngeculo ukuthi ayeza ayaphuma azophuma kuze kuphela i-term of office because uyaphela phela i-term of office yama local government. So asifuni because thina njengabantu abasha we believe msathi ukuthi kusinika inkinga because ithine shout out to door.
Mase sifila kanjani abantu abasha singi i-ANC iluza kangaka kuma by elections? nichaza kanjani sengisho lo general it has got nothing to do with umkhanya kude
Yes.
sengibuza nje general question because siyayivala manje ukuthi iANC sibona ishawa la ku ward othize la eThekwini sayibona ishawa koStenga
Yes.
Mandeni but I think 3 manje la enikhale khona ngaphansi othola ukuthi nishawa khona iMK and kuza ama local government elections manje ni safe kangakanani ukuthi nivalwe ngehlahla ethi ukuvala ngehlahla kweANC.
Yes, no, umuntu kuyamkhathaza kakhulu. Kuyamkhathaza. Hence sisukumile ukuthi asifuna ukuba popular ukuthi mhlawumbe sithandwe abaholi because ngenzeka noma umsakazi yabona umuntu mayesekhethwe walid youth league noma wakhethwa abohlalo noma unobhala okwakho nje ukuthi uyibone use right ku sport is right nomuntu osuke umayor noma esuke lead ANC so right uzobenefit ama-10 but thina we choose ukuthi thina asifuna ukuhlala kuma dynasty engahambi because asifuna ukuthi sidle overall.
Alifuna ukudla
No thina okwethu ukuthi kusizani imsakazi ukudla la etafuleni okuphelayo ngoba ukudla izinto engahambi kahle emphakathini kusho ukuthi lento lesiyidla nje yaphela because makufika ama elections ufike sishawa thina sithi akulunge istructure siphile iANC ukuze kuzoqhubeka ukuqhubekiwe abantu bedla yes bekazi ukuthi abantu bebenefit ngoba ukujabulela ukuthi uyadla into usele nayo la endlini but ingaphandle insimi yakho ifa ngeke usakwazi ukuproduce ukudla ozobuya ukudle la endlini thina sibelieve ukuthi akuphile umphakathi nabantu bekholelwa iANC ibuyelwe iphunge limnandi so right iANC uzolokhu uqhubeka because ayikho indlela singashintsha ngayo impilo zabantu ngaphandle kokuthi iANC sunika amandla kugovernment so sikholelwa ukuthi ke asiwu maintain ugovernment ngeqiniso silungise sikhipha amazambane abolileyo makuthi akhona kulead abantu abasha abahle aba-right abazosebenzela umphakathi abangebe sebenzele amaphakethe abo ukuze izoqhubeka iphile lenhlangano ngoba lenhlangano ngeke iziphile freedom charter lesihloko sikhuluma ngayo ayikho practical masingekho uhulumeni ama-document nama-policies lawa esinawo awekho practical masingekho uhulumeni so sikholelwa ukuthi
What is bangaki lapha legislature
it's about 14
from
I think
40 something
42 or 48
42
Yes.
okay. That's bad.
No it's a real bad but siyabuya no siyabuya no likhona ithemba because based on ukuthi even NEC into eyayenza KZN ukuthi ubuholi mabekade bukhona yabuhlakaza yathi bakha kabusha ayisho ngithi ihlakaza ubixosha abantu but yathi ake simix ama generation sakubuholi kabusha siyakholelwa nasema regionini kuzokwenzeka into efanayo
Konke ama regions akhona nakhona kuzoba ne reconfiguration.
yes we've been told ukuthi kunalonto le noma
Sedisbandiwe
singenayo iletter esingesifakayo ukuthi kuzulukhuzana so we believe ukuthi ukuyibuyisa kaANC ngoba uma uyibuyisa ukuthi uqala admit iphutha lakho kuqala ukuthi nginephutha noma ngenzanga kahle kungathi izinto ingahambi kahle bese wena lokhu ushaya ihlombe nje ukuthi ayikuhamba kahle ngoba usa benefits noma usazi ufuna uadmit ukuthi hayi lokho akuhambi kahle.
This is a News Avenue podcast with Usizwe Blose, yours truly. Kasivale makhosonke umuntu othandani wena ngifuna izinto ezithandayo nongayithandi. Are you a fan of Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates?
I'm a fan of Orlando Pirates.
Yes. That's good.
Yeah.
Uthandani ukudla kwesintu nobukudla ema restaurant?
No ngumuntu wasemakhaya ngikholelwa kakhulu ekudleni nje ukudla kwesintu noma yikuphi lapha khona even nasendlini lapha engihlala khona ngikholelwa kakhulu ukuthi ngiyiphekele kakhulu ukudla inkukhu yesizulu na yonke lonto leyo nanokuthi ngiyakholelwa ke futhi ngumuntu othanda kakhulu izinto za development kubantu abasha hlezi ngikholelwa nje kutheni hence ngihlezi inkukhu ngithenga kubantu especially abasha abanye
so maskandi wamapiano
awumaskandi na kanjani ya ngifela ngomaskandi
so prefer ama-gays or ama-lesbians prefer ama-gay or ama-lesbians
makhethwa kanjani
kanjani lento ngibuza akithi ngiyaqhathanisa ama-Chiefs ne-Pirates ne-lesbians
ayikho option esithathu ayikho option esithathu
awudasay
angina comment
no ayikho no comment ngiyacheck I'm just checking nje
Mhlawumbe ama-lesbians right.
This page right.
Yeah.
Okay, no. Ngiyaqonda. So lento yokuflya, uflya economy or business class?
Economy.
People's person.
Yeah.
Was Thomas Sankara or Captain Ibrahim Traore?
Ngisakholelwa kakhulu because bengamboni uTraore. Kholelwa kakhulu Thomas Sankara.
Thomas Sankara.
Yeah.
Bathi abafana. Asibonge interview yomlandi noMakhosonke Maphanga from ANC Youth League kunobhala we-ANC Youth League lapha emkhanya kude besinengxoxo nje ebesinayo naye. Nawe ke ungasijoyina la ngaso sonke isikhathi kwi-News Avenue. Ungasichecka futhi website yethu newsavenue.co.za uyichecke uzosithola futhi sinama stories esiwabhalayo futhi kwi-Facebook page yethu inama stories amaningi aphumayo. So wena into wenze nje ukuthi uyilandele, ulike, usubscribe, ucomment futhi into evumelekile leyo uzosithola igama uSizwe Blose News Avenue. Tell your friends about us. It's been real.